How can user flows prevent UX design errors in your projects? Imagine trying to navigate a city without a map or directions. You might get lost, take wrong turns, or waste time. That's what designing a product without user flows can feel like. User flows are like maps for your users, showing every step they take to complete a task. They are visual diagrams that outline the path a user follows, from opening an app to finishing a purchase or signing up. When you create these flows early, you get a clear picture of how users will interact with your design. This helps spot problems before they become costly mistakes. For example, if a user flow shows a confusing step or a dead end, you can fix it before development begins. This prevents users from getting frustrated or abandoning the task. User flows also help ensure that the steps are simple and intuitive. If the flow reveals a long or complicated route to a goal, you can streamline it. Making the process straightforward keeps users happy and reduces errors. Using tools like Adobe Experience Design, you can turn these flows into interactive prototypes. These prototypes let you test how real users might behave, catching issues early. It's much easier to tweak a flow on paper or in a digital prototype than after coding has started. Another benefit is better teamwork. When everyone sees the same user flow, misunderstandings are less likely. Designers, developers, and stakeholders can all agree on how the product should work. This shared understanding reduces mistakes caused by miscommunication. User flows also give a big picture view of the entire product. They show how different screens connect and highlight any gaps or confusing links. This big picture view helps you see if any parts are orphaned or disconnected, which can hurt the user experience. Plus, you can experiment with different paths without risking real resources. If you want to try a new feature or change a step, you can update the flow first. This saves time and money by catching potential errors early. In Adobe software, creating user flows is efficient because you can build, share, and test them all in one place. Adobe X allows you to design detailed flows, add interactive elements, and gather feedback from your team. This makes the entire process smoother and reduces mistakes. In short, user flows act as a safeguard against design errors. They help visualize the user journey, identify issues early, improve team communication, and support testing, all of which lead to better, error-free projects. Using these flows with Adobe tools makes the process even easier and more effective.